Hiya, I'm Daniel. I live here in North Dallas. Moved here about 8 years ago, originally from England, so air conditioning's not something have experience with. So it was nice to find SHR, a family-run business that I can reach out to that I know has my best interests at heart. I've been using SHR for a couple of years now. The thing I really enjoy about it is that person, that name, that face. You're not with this big box sort of company that's just looking to plug A's into B's. You have someone that's generally taking what you want into account and sort of sticking to your budget and giving you that honest opinion. When SHR got here, I'd already got a previous quote, and not trying to say anything negative, people always try and do their best, but it was always replace the entire unit, do this big sort of solution. So it was very nice. SHR came out and sort of gave me multiple options. The whole, here's a band-aid in the short term, here's your long-term fix, and things that I needed to change so that I wouldn't have to incur further costs in the future. So a lot of the maintenance things that people might not want to tell you. So that was one of the things I enjoyed working with SHR. So we have 2 air conditioning units, one for sort of the main living areas, and then another one covers the bedrooms. They were here when we got here, so they're about 11 years old, so they're getting on there. I enjoy working with SHR because they're very quick to respond, and like I said, just very nice to have an honest family-run business sort of respond to you. SHR is one of those companies that once you've worked with them, they're definitely someone that you refer on to your friends and family. It's that honesty and that hands-on approach that really endears to trust. So I've moved them on to a couple of friends and family members.